Okay, what's up, YouTube? It is Pacey AI one more time. About to give you another video. I want to talk to you about this platform called Clipify. This platform is incredible. Now, we have different tools right here for video generation and essentially tools that you can use to enhance your videos. So if you go to Clipify AI, and the link to this is in the description, you will actually see all their AI tools. If you click see all, it will direct you to this page where it will show you all the different tools that they got. So they got the face dance, they got video generator, talking avatar, background remover, watermark remover, object remover, photo animator, video clearer, and video enhancer. And you can kind of read exactly what these are for. But obviously, these are great tools to use to get started. So let me check out the video generator, and if I click get started, you can describe your video. So here's my prompt: a cat with wings flying over New York City. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate, and it costs 10 credits per generation. The free plan only gives you 20 credits, but you can actually click add, and you can add different amounts of credit for different prices. Obviously, 1,000 credits is 59, 500 credits is 39, 200 credits is 19.99. But essentially, once you add credits, you can go ahead and do video generation. So here we go. This is our flying cat. So our cat flying over New York City. Obviously, as you can see, that is New York City, and a cat is flying. So very good prompt adherence. It does follow the prompt as expected, so that is pretty cool. Now let's check out their image to video model. I have this picture of a car speeding down the highway. I like to use this picture. I'm not gonna put a prompt. It's pretty obvious what this car is doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click generate and see what it does. Okay, so we got our video of our speeding car, so let's check it out. Okay, so a little bit off in terms of the prompt adherence. The camera does switch directions, or the car switches directions for some reason. I don't know how it switched. It was going one way, then it turned the other way. Not sure how that happened. So that doesn't necessarily align with the prompt. But again, this is a new platform, and they are working and developing the features and the functionality. And I'm sure over time, this will be better. Now, another cool feature that I want to talk about, and I think this is probably the most unique feature on this platform, and this is the text to frame to video feature. Now, what this is essentially, it allows you to generate the frames for a particular video. So instead of generating the actual video, you just generate the frames, which is actually a really cool workflow, because we've seen other platforms like Luma, Kling, and platforms like that that allow you to use different frames within a video to stitch it together, and that allows for more prompt adherence as well as being able to generate better quality videos. So I'm going to go ahead and describe a scene and generate the frames for this video. I'm on ChatGPT right now, and I'm using the Minimax Cinemotion prompter, and essentially this is giving me a prompt for an action scene. It's gonna have it generate the frames, not the video, just the frames. So as you can see, these are the different frames for this particular video, and then obviously you can stitch these frames together to create a new video. And essentially what this does is that it makes the video generation a lot more consistent. You can do this on any platform. You can also do it on Clipify. So you can essentially take all these frames right here and stitch it together and generate a video with these 4 different images. So here are the 4 videos that got generated from these frames. So this is one video right here. Obviously you can see that a woman is walking in this movie scene. She's walking in a different direction, so the camera turns a different direction. Some weird stuff going on there, because her head turned, she's walking this way and her head turned the other way. So obviously that is a whole morphing issue that this model needs to fix. And again, this is another bad generation. still walking the wrong direction, you can go ahead and edit the video. So if you click edit now, it will actually take you to a page where you can edit the video. It gives you this video editor that you can use in your browser to edit any clip. So that is pretty cool. And then finally, this is the 4th generation. So we play this one. And yeah, so that is pretty much that. Let me know what you guys think about Clipify. I think this is a very good platform. As I said earlier, there's tons of other AI tools that you can use. I didn't go over all of them, obviously, but you guys can check it out. Link is in the description to this one. Let me know what you guys think and have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Peace.